It's Flower Friday. Today we dive into a new flower. But first, I suggest you to go and see the tutorial of the double triquetra and the double two-circle Inspin flower. My arms are in water element, which means one and the other, and my arm will be in fire. The other flower were in earth element. And what will happen if you would like to combine them? Earth element to fire element, to earth element, to fire element. Earth element, one other double triquetra. Earth element, other side. Oh, I do have my two Inspin. Fire element, I do have the combination of both, and getting back to my earth element. So now let's dive into that flower. First, let's put our arm into fire and make sure that our poi, we don't really care about the circle for now. Yellow poi here is in front, and on the other side, it will be my poi that blink that will be in front. Yellow poi, blink, yellow, blink. Now that we have done that, let's try to figure out the triquetra on the side. Open to triquetra, or up, pointing, up, point, up, point, up, point, up, point, up, point. Circle extension, circle extension, circle extension. So I do have a circle when the triquetra is pointing, and I do have an extension when the triquetra is going up. Extension going up, and then circle, point, etc. Extension, up, pointing, up, pointing, up, pointing, up, pointing. Circle, extension. It could be really nice just to work on one poi out of time, and the other just do nothing. Or even he could be really doing nothing. And then let's play with the other. Foom, pa, foom, pa, foom, pa. Up, side, up, side, up, side, up, side. And make sure that when it passes through the up part, that my hand is really in front of it. Up. And now my hand is in front of the other. Not here, not here. And then triquetra. Up. I'm pretty sure that with practice, you will have it, but you will need to put a lot of time. And don't be afraid to short your poi to practice, because it's easier for the empty space. I just would like to say a big thanks to Nick Woolsey for this one. I do remember when I was in Costa Rica, he was talking about those flowers, and he was working on this one, and I tried to clean it up. I'm really happy to share that with you. Well, for that, thanks, Nick, and I would like to thank all the people that I share time with. It's really nice to have you, or to see you, or just to read your comment, or to be in real. And if someone would like to be in real, we do have the Poi and Flow. It's 22 to 24 May. We'll do light painting, of course, and a lot of tutorial and other things. Bye-bye.